Nergy. This is the way indigenous Sakha people greet one another. This phrase has no exact English translation, but it means I greet the universe in your person. My name is Snow Raven, and I'm from the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia in Arctic Siberia, the most cold settled place on Earth where winter's temperature can drop as low as negative 96 Fahrenheit. So, after 6 years being away from Sakha-Yakutia, I returned this summer to see my family and also visit our ancestral home. The first thing I did when I arrived was drop into silence and listen. Listening is one of the powerful gifts the universe has given humans to connect with nature. It is by listening that I have learned how to mimic nature. I listen with my imagination and become an animal that I hear. I move like it moves. I seek what it seeks. I cry with its cry. The owl, kakan, for instance, it has night vision. It can see all around him, and it also flies without making a sound. The elia, brown kite, soars on a heated air and with joy announces the arrival of the summer. When I hear the loon, I feel its longing for its partner alongside its love of the baby it carries. The crane, the dance of this beautiful bird is so stunning and divine that Sakha people believe that the happy are the eyes who even once witnessed the dance of a crane in a wilderness. The ehe, the brown bear, it's so mighty and it terrifies everything all around him, while even he eats but little berries. The reindeers, Taba, are lords of tundra, and they run thousands of miles in huge herds. To restore and recover their energy, they have a special breath. Bere, in a wolf's cry, I can hear the loneliness of the hunter and its yearning for the freedom beyond the body. It sees the moon and wants to join it in the sky. So the superpower of listening is that it leaves the room for imagination to dance with the sound. Let's listen, ignite our imagination, and summon our animal superpowers here and now. Marcel, thank you.